Good morning 11th class. This is second video regarding two laws of chemical combination. Okay, now our second law is law of constant composition or definite proportion. Now this law was given by Joseph Proust, and this law we have done in that one in ninth class also, so it's an old one. Okay, so according to this law, pure chemical compound always contain same elements combined together in the same definite ratio by mass, or you can say weight. Okay, understand it with the help of example. Now simple water, water is obtained from so many sources. We have river water, we have lake, pond, well. Okay, the but in that case, and formula of water is H2O. So in this case, that hydrogen and oxygen always combine in which ratio? It's a 1:8. And how 1:8 come? I think that one is, it's a H2O. Now in this one, hydrogen, okay, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and how many hydrogen is present? It's a 2, and ratio oxygen atomic mass is 16. Now cancel it. So this one is ratio become 1:8. Okay, the hydrogen and oxygen always combine in this ratio by mass, whatever is the source, but they will always combine in this ratio. Okay, now third law we have, and this law is again new for you. This one is law of multiple proportion. Okay, according to this law, when two elements combine, to form more than one compound, because it's not necessary to always one type of compound is formed, maybe different type of compounds are formed. Okay, so their ratio by mass is always a simple whole number ratio. Okay, for example, just see, take example of nitrogen and oxygen. You can take example of sulfur, oxygen, it's your wish. Okay, now just see, in case of nitrogen and oxygen, when both combine, so they form different compounds. Maybe it's a N2O, okay, maybe it's a NO, maybe it's a N2O3, maybe it's a N2O5, maybe it's a NO2. It depends, but just see, their ratio by mass is always a simple whole number ratio. Nitrogen is 14 into 2, it become 28. Now 16, it's a 14 into 16. Now 14 into 2, it's a 28, and 16 into 3, it's a 48. If you will cancel it, just see, their ratio by mass is always a simple whole number ratio. Same condition, if you will take example, either it's a sulfur dioxide. Just see, either you can take example SO2, sulfur combined with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide, it forms sulfur trioxide also. Okay, and so on. Now in this one, sulfur is 32. Okay, and what about oxygen? 16 into 2, so that one is also 32. Now in this again 32, then this one is 16 into 3, it's a 48. If you will cancel it, the ratio is simple whole number ratio. So this one is regarding to law of multiple proportion. Now one question regarding to this. Now just see, carbon and oxygen are known to form two compounds. The carbon content in one of these compound is 42.9%, while in the other it is 27.3%. Just see, two compounds are given and contents are given to you. Show that the data are in the agreement with the law of multiple proportion. Okay, so how to show? First of all, you have to solve their percentage or gram for first compound and then for second compound, because here it's a gram is given, sorry, here percentage is given and you have to calculate it in gram. So in first compound, just see, mass of carbon is 42.9 gram. So from where this gram is come? Here its percentage is given. We have to consider it. Suppose that total percentage is 100. Okay, so if total percentage is 100, so when you calculate 42.9 gram, okay, that is 42.9% of 100, that is equal to 42.9 gram. Okay, like this. Now mass of oxygen, so this one is remaining 100 minus 42.9. This one is, because total is 100, so your remaining one is minus. Okay, the 100 minus 42.9, so it's a 57.1 gram. Now mass of carbon combining with 57.1 gram of oxygen, that is 42.9 gram. So what about 1 gram of oxygen? In this case, what about 1 gram of oxygen? So 42.9 upon this, that it's a unitary method. This value goes up, 57.1 goes down. Solve it, it's a 0.75 gram. Now similarly, you have to calculate the mass of carbon for second compound also. Now in second compound, mass of carbon is this. Now mass of oxygen is this one total. Now mass of carbon combining with 72.7 gram of oxygen is equal to 27.3. So what about 1 gram? Because here we are calculating for 1 gram. So it's again unitary method. 72.7 goes down, 1 goes up. After solving this, answer is 0.375 gram. Now in this, the ratio of mass of carbon combining with fixed mass of oxygen. Now in this fixed mass of oxygen, that one is 100 we have taken. Now in this, in both the cases, just see, now total is 100 and here we have to calculate for 1 gram, where oxygen you have taken for second compound, it's a 1 gram, and here is all you have to calculate for 1 gram in both the cases. Now just see, in this one 0.75 gram, ratio 0.375 gram. If you solve it, now just see, this one is almost double. Okay, the ratio is 2:1, and this one is a simple whole number ratio. So it means in both the cases, that one is combined in a definite this one generally their combination is a simple whole number ratio. Okay, so hence proved that this one is according to law of multiple proportion. Okay, thank you.